Hello everyone, myself Darshanas. I am pursuing education at Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering. Today I am here to explain about the topic that is Introduction to Data Science. So the topic begins like introduction, that is Introduction to Data Science. So here data science is the interdisciplinary field that combines mathematics and computer science to extract insights and knowledge from data. So it is rapidly growing field that is transforming how business and organizations make decisions and solve complex problems. So let us now learn what is data science. That is first data collections, which is known as for gathering and organizing data from various sources, including structured and unstructured data. Next is data pre-processing, cleaning, transforming, and preparing the data for analysis. And the third, that is data analysis, which is used for applying statistical and machine learning techniques, which is used for insights and patterns from the data. That is the data science process. There are three types of data science process. First is the problem identification, third is data acquisitions, and third is data explorations. At first, that is the problem identification, which is clearly defines the business problems or the questions that needs to be solved. Next is data acquisitions, gathering and integrating relevant data from various sources. Third is data explorations, analyzing and visualizing the data to understand its structures and patterns. Here are some basic definitions, that is the data collection and preparations. So for data collection and preparations, the requirements are data sources, data cleaning, and future engineering. That is, data sources are used for identifying and accessing relevant data from internal and external sources. And second, that is data cleaning, which is used for removing errors, insufficiencies, missing values from the data. Third is the future engineering, which is used for creating new relevant features from the existing data, that is the analysis. So here are some exploratory data analysis. There are three types of exploratory data analysis. They are data visualization, statistical analysis, hypothesis testing. First, that is the data visualization, which are used for creating charts, graphs, and plots to understand the patterns and relationship in the data. Second is the statistical analysis, used for applying statistical techniques to identifying trends, outliers, and correlations in the data. Third, that is the hypothesis testing, used for the formulating and testing hypotheses in order to gain insights into the data and the underlying problems. So as we continue with the topic, that is the machine learning techniques. Machine learning techniques are broadly classified into three, that is for classification, regression, and clustering. For classification, predicting categorical outcomes such as whether a customer will churn or not. Second, that is regression, predicting continuous outcomes such as the sales of a product. Third, that is a clustering, grouping similar data points in order to identify patterns and also the segments. Here comes the topic, that is the model evaluation and deployment. In that model evaluation and deployment, there are three. That is first one model training, second one model evaluation, third one model deployment. So they are broadly classified into three. As they're classified into three, the first one will be starting with model training. As we know that model training are used in building and also the training the machine learning models. So as they're used for building and training the machine learning models, which will also used for preparing the data. So these training and testing models are used in building machine models using the prepared data. Next comes the model evaluation, accessing the performance of the models using appropriate matrices and also the techniques. This model evaluation and model training are both used for the deployment of this model evaluation techniques. Next, which is used for model deployment, is integrating the models into the products systems in order to make predictions and also drive business decisions. So these three are also used for modeling for the evaluation of data sciences, which are used for very process. Here is the topic, that is the future of data science. The future of data science has been broadly classified into three, that is emerging the technologies. So as we know, the emerging the technologies, advancement in AI, IoT and big data technologies will expand the capabilities of the data science. So emerging technologies have been used for the advancements, and then the next comes is the increased automation. That is the increased automated data collections and also the pre-processing and model building will make data science more efficient. And the last, that is the ethical considerations, which will use it for ensuring the responsible and ethical use of data and algorithms will be growing priority. At last, we have reached the last part, that is the conclusion part, that is unlocking the power of data. That is, data science has the power to transform the way organizations make decisions, solve problems, and drive innovations. By leveraging the right tools, technique, and approaches, data science can uncover valuable insights and drive meaningful change. Second part, that is the manifestation discipline. That is, data science is a multiple facet disciplines that requires a diverse set of skills, including statistical analysis, machine learning, programming, and domain-specific knowledge. As the field continues to evolve, data science must be adaptable and willing to learn new techniques and technologies. That is the last part, a brief future ahead. The future of data science is full with exciting possibilities, from the development of new AI powered tools to encourage and ethical and responsibilities data practice. This will make the changes and continuing to push and the boundaries of what's possible. Data scientists will play a major role in shaping the future of business and society.